Hello, my name is Ankit and I'm working in automotive industry for the last 14 years, working with some of the premier customers like BMW and Daimler. And recently we see a big shift in the industrial transformation for our manufacturing processes. And this is where I found this great certification on digital transformation in manufacturing industry. So this opened up for me a lot of things that we thought were only IT related, and for example, big data or AI and augmented reality and virtual reality. And this shows me how we are merging the IT industry into our manufacturing processes, and we see a big digital disruption and adaptation of these big IT tools and also software configuration like MES into our systems. And definitely with this course from IEEC, a special thanks to Angel Bernice for creating such a great content. I'm able to get more insights into these key topics, which will enable my journey through digital transformation and support my customers to give better solutions to the industry. Many thanks